So this is the beef. You can wash it with the hot water, and after that you can prepare green chili and the garlic and the ginger. So I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna chop it in right here. So if you guys don't have this one, it's called, I don't know what its name, but you know, you could get probably in the IKEA. So, and after that, it's just like it's a potato. Just you can cut like this piece of this potato. Then after that, I'm gonna cook right here. I just put the beef in the pressure cooker. So you know, I didn't put any oil, and you have to cook very well, like maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So, and after that you can make sure, like, you know, just close it. So I just close it and make sure, like, you know, your gas is like put on like maybe 6 or medium, whatever you like. So guys, I already done, so I already chop it up, so it's almost done now. And also I guess it's already cooked well, so I'm gonna take it over and I'm gonna mix it all together. Cold water. So yeah, so it looks like this, right? Oh, all right. So I have to mix it all, potatoes and garlic. So guys, I'm gonna mix it up, the potato right here. All right, and I'm gonna mix it first with the turmeric powder right here. So after that, I'm gonna put the this cumin powder. Just a little bit. So after that, I'm gonna put some sugar, and this is the Himalayan salt. Alright, so this is the garlic and green chili and the onion chopped. So I'm gonna mix it up all in the right here. So once you've done all, like mix it up all over here, and after that you just cook very well, maybe after 5 to 10 minutes. So what you're gonna do, like, I'm gonna cut the onion and the tomato. So I'm done it, so just cut it both all to pieces, and I'm gonna mix it up right here. Just like this, and you can cook like a minute. So guys, after that, I guess it's cooked already, and you have to mix it all very well. And this is cooked. So this is ready for eat.